Hello guys, welcome back to Hi Lollipop. Shubho Ashtami. On the occasion of Durga Puja, let us make another authentic Bengali dish, Chingri Macher Malai Curry. You can also call it coconut prawn curry. It's a must-have in Durga Puja. So, let's begin. First of all, take a deep pan or karai and add about 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. After the oil gets heated, add in the prawns. Today I have taken 5 medium-sized prawns. Also add in some salt and turmeric powder for frying the prawns. Fry the prawns on both sides. But don't over fry the prawns as that will make it more chewy. After 2 to 3 minutes, remove the prawns and keep them aside for now. Meanwhile, on the same pan, add some whole garam masala, 1 bay leaf and 1 medium-size onion paste. Fry the onion paste for at least 5 minutes before adding 1 teaspoon of grated ginger and 2 green chilies finely chopped. Now mix them nicely and fry them for at least 5 more minutes. Now I also add in 1 tablespoon of sugar. This will help to caramelize the onion. After 5 minutes, add in 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder and mix them all together. Mix the masala nicely and fry them for 2 more minutes. If the masala starts to stick to the bottom of the pan, add some coconut milk and then fry the masala. Now add in the salt as per taste. After the oil starts to separate from the masala, add in 2 tablespoons of beaten yogurt. After some time, you will see that the oil begins to separate from the masala. Next, it's time to add in the coconut milk. In total, today I have taken 250 ml of canned coconut milk. Now it's time to add in the fried prawns in the curry. Now let the curry comes to a boil. Meanwhile, check the salt and sugar and add in if needed. So our chingri malai curry is almost ready. Now add in 1 teaspoon of ghee and 1 teaspoon of garam masala and give them one last final whisk. For garnishing purpose, and it is totally optional, I add in 2 slitted green chilies at the end. Now put on the flame and cover the lid for 5 more minutes. It requires the standing time. Serve this lovely chingri malai curry with some steaming hot rice and your festival afternoon lunch is sorted. In case you like today's recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon to get future notification for my upcoming recipes. See you soon with some more such recipes. Until next time, goodbye. Enjoy this puja with your friends and family and stay safe.